Hello everyone, if you're trying to download Fortnite and you keep getting this error, install failed with error code MD-DL, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your web browser, and here you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp, and then you're going to click onto this first link from developers.cloudflare.com, and here you're going to click on download latest stable release. You're going to go ahead and download this Cloudflare Warp software up, and once you're done downloading it, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after you're done installing it, then you're going to go ahead and first close up your Epic Games launcher if you have it running. You can also open up your task manager to check if Epic Games is running here. As you can see, I don't have it running here, but if you have it running here, you're going to click end task on it. After that, open Cloudflare Warp up, and then click on Cloudflare Warp here, go into this settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with warp, and then just connect Cloudflare Warp. Wait for it to connect, and once it's done connecting, now you're going to go ahead and open Epic Games Launcher on your computer. And here you're going to go into your library, and you're just going to go ahead and download any game you want. So I'm going to search for Fortnite here, and I'm going to start downloading the game, and you'll see that my game will download correctly. I will not get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.